At night time, the beaches of Vaadhoo in the Maldives glisten as if the tides had captured the stars and washed them onto the shore. But this spectacular glow is actually caused by microbes called phytoplankton. These tiny organisms emit light when stressed, and when present in high enough numbers can be seen producing this amazing blue glow, which is called bioluminescence. The Dirty Thunderstorm or volcanic lightning is a phenomena of raging beauty. This spectacle can be seen during big volcanic eruptions and is caused when the ash in the volcanic plume collides, resulting in electrically charged particles. It has been witnessed during many eruptions, like when Iceland's Eyjafjallajökull volcano spewed up ash and rock, causing these amazing thunderbolts to arc through the dirty clouds. The mysterious Kaindy lake in Kazakhstan is famous for its scenic beauty, as beneath the bright greeny blue water there is a sunken forest. The lake was created after an earthquake in 1911 triggered a landslide, resulting in a gorge being blocked. Rainwater then filled the valley over time and caused the trees to become submerged, leaving eerie naked trunks above the lake. But below the water you can see the branches of the sunken trees preserved due to the cold lake conditions. I really hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, then hit that like button and subscribe for much more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.